Good morning, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel where we give you a little everything Jamaican. I'm going to give you an overview as to why we are here. So a few months ago, we'd have done a video of the bridge in Troy, Trelawney that has broken. And when we were here, these two gentlemen were assisting persons to cross the bridge, you know, putting themselves out there, you know, being brave and assisting persons to push across their luggage and pull it and to assist them across safely. So a lady who watched, one of our faithful subscribers, admire what you are doing, you know, your selflessness, your bravery. And she said, you know, for you guys to put yourself out there to help persons, she was touched by that. And as such, she would have sent a little something, you know, to grace your palms.
Yeah.
And so we're here this morning just to talk to them and just for you to say thank you to Grace from Toronto. So Grace from Toronto, I'm going to say my thanks first. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. And thank you for your continued support. All right. So now we have Mr. Patterson, no AKA DJ Eyeball, but him like when we call him Mr. Patterson.
Yeah.
So yes, Mr. Patterson.
Yes. Thank Grace from Toronto. Yes, to make us can have a drink. And you know say right now, we're glad for Grace, because right now, if I never Grace, we could have a drink. We put some edge in our body, we draw over some people over here. So you understand me? So thank you, Grace. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Nice. Well said, Mr.
Okay.
Patterson.
Right. So
all right.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
And we feel good about you, Grace.
Yes.
We make we feel proud that we know say, yeah, see we are going down here.
Yeah.
And we are suffer.
All right.
You understand me? And we need some more help. Because people actually are drown every day you have to access your drown over here, so and we have to try to save them. So I eat that.
All
yeah.
Right. All right, so, and we have Gritty here who we would have spoken to last time as well.
Yeah.
All right, so Gritty, I want to say thank you to Grace from Toronto.
Thank you, Grace from Toronto. I love your support. It's so rough out here. So we're glad we have somebody can see that we're going through a rough time. Sometimes so sticky, but we give thanks till no life don't take as yet. But we are trying to come, we are trying to make it come better. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Thank you, Grace. I love your support.
Yeah, man. Well said.
Yeah.
All right. So let me just ask you, gentlemen, before you go, what has been happening with the bridge thus far?
Well, I try helping. I help everyone every day. Mm-hmm. I come here. Since what they gone, a little boy actually fall out of the crate here.
Oh, you were sending a little boy across in the crate and he fell out?
Actually fell out.
Yeah, he fell out?
Actually.
Oh, he didn't fall out?
No, he didn't fall out. He actually, so we have to balance back.
Oh, you have to balance it good.
Yeah, so, and the place I get worse. Mm-hmm. So, it'll get worse than worse, but we still try and help us, our brother and sister, to get along.
Yes.
Their livelihood.
Yes.
From back to forward over here.
So you're still assisting where you can.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let me ask you now, because the last time we came, the bridge was not so bad.
Yeah.
Somebody's actually crossing now? Okay.
Yeah.
So the last time we came, it never so bad. So obviously, now looking at it, it has gotten far worse than it was.
Yeah.
Right. Right, so let me ask you, are you in fear for your lives when you're helping people to cross, you know?
Yeah, because a guy named Funny Man, I supposed to, me and Rasta and the next man, I come across a couple of weeks back and the river come down, and the crate fill over, like spin over, and he hang up on the rope here, over in the middle in the water, and the river come down so tall.
Oh, Lord.
So, right now I'm scared to draw somebody over again, but I'm just continue still doing it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So gentlemen, thank you so much. You know, for your bravery. It's not easy, especially in these times, you know, and especially seeing the condition of the bridge. But still yet, you know, you continue to execute
Yeah.
and you continue to
Yeah.
show bravery.
Yeah.
So I want to thank you for that. I want to commend you.
Yeah.
All right. And I also want to advise you to be safe when you are assisting other persons.
Yeah,
and I know
yeah.
you, Mr. Gritty, you live across. Right. So you were telling us, you know, the other night you went somewhere.
Yeah.
Tell us what happened.
Fell over.
Went to the dance the other night and I was drinking and I never that outside. I was drinking, I never know that. I never remember that I don't have any bridge to cross.
Yes.
And I was so frightened when I tried, you know.
Yes.
And I nearly fell, but God so good, He just let me go cross.
Yes, you get to go across. Right.
Yeah.
So now you have to be careful. So if you cross over to go to a party, you have to be careful not to drink too much because you have to be mindful that you have to come back and cross the bridge. Also, thank you so much, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Continue to
And
be brave.
yeah.
And hats off to you, you know, and thank you again and again and again.
and again. And thank Grace so much. Yeah.
Toronto.
From Toronto. Right.
Yes, so,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
No, man, me not drive, man. Me not drive. Go on, man. You miserable, sir.
No, I'm tight.
You try to put too much one time, man. You can't walk on it, man, but... I said, you look miserable in man, that's true.
That's farm produce he's sending over? Oh. So light. Light. Just some bush. So,
Come in, lift up yourself. Lift up in your ear, lift up it. Ah, it's so easy, sir. Oh, it's
come off our edge. All right, so Patrick, you were also here on the day when we were doing the video on the bridge and you were assisting your lady across.
Yeah.
Right, so Grace from Toronto saw that as well and she really want to, you know, so she sent something to show her appreciation. So just talk to her, you know, and tell her thank you for what she did.
Okay, thank you, Miss Grace, and I'm here for always. Does anyone come here, I will help them till the government do better. Okay, sir. Now, see one expert over here, so we have to go line up again.
Oh, so you fix on this, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm around there, so we have to try to tie up all the while and get it.
Oh, so people can have something to walk on?
Yeah, rough, you know?
Yeah, man, I can see that.
I met motor last night, the water take when my two slippers gone with it, you know?
Oh, my goodness.
The two slippers gone with it.
Oh, wow. So what were you doing here last night? Fixing the...
Carry, come to one lady if you can't cross.
Oh, okay, okay.
You're rough.
Whoa. I can just imagine.
You're rough, man.
Wow.
I tell you, say you're rough. How is it to dry over? He's miserable, you know? Miserable, man.
So you get the signal if you pull it over now. So Patrick, you ever pull across anything and it fall over in the water?
No, not ever, as ever.
Oh, so as long as you tie it properly,
Yeah,
it will
man,
come
nah,
over
drop off.
safely.
No, drop off.
Okay. All right.
One good thing, I'm afraid to go in at the box. I don't love it.
Yeah.
I rather wait till the water dry down.
Then you cross.
Yeah.
But you have people who go in the box
Yeah,
and
man.
go across.
Yeah, man. Right now, and you trying to say if you call him, he should go by himself.
Oh, jeez.
But I can't do it, man. Sir. He just hold his so sit up in it and go so.
And pull until
just
you reach
roll it.
across.
Yeah,
And even that is dangerous.
Me not this a rope, me not trust it.
Oh, my.
Yes, it's just like we are come from bush, from the farm, you know, and come down here so. So when you come down here so now we stop. But the rain did all it fall. But at the end of the day, you know, like we not even concerned at the river. It had to come down.
Yes.
So we stand up here so and did drink one beer for, you know, when we left around here so, you know, one through the bridge, you know, we can't grow so if we come back out here so we are drink one beer so. One night time now when we overall now me hear like one heavy rolling. So when we look now when we overall at the river that coming down and it started to come down heavy.
Yes.
So now me decide say, well look here, me can't make the river catch my beer so because me can't go through the in the box because I'm afraid of height.
Yes.
And it have a time when you're going at the box, you're in the box deep with yourself.
Yeah.
And if you climb back the hill,
Yes.
me coward, me can't manage it.
Yes, so you prefer
Yes,
cross
I
it.
prefer pass. So it's like me now decide to me cross the first piece of water, cross the second piece, the third piece. When we go up a hole upon the long bamboo. I don't know what happened, but me slip off of the water like the water push me.
Oh my
So
God.
me slip now and then now me go down in the river. But it was good that the bamboo did me have to hold on to the
Yes.
bamboo, strong, hold on and the water push me. But anyway, me
my.
vibrate and come up back way so till me feel the piece of wood.
Yes.
So me just take time and just get out and then me get up and go up on the banking. And by me reach on my yard, me say one man drop down back in it.
Oh,
Him a
Lord.
come and the same place where me drop. A
He
same
fell
place he
too.
come drop. And it was good that him daddy carry him when I come cross. But same like how him almost go by daddy always say, well, go on over for him, not go come over. So daddy have to jump off in the river. And when he jump off, a pear cut up where yes, when he come out, he
Yes.
couldn't realize that him.
Yes.
Yes, man, him cut up bad,
Oh
man.
my God,
You
it
come
was-
what do you drown? Because if daddy when they stone back and never they pay attention to
He
him.
would die, he would drown.
Yes, he drown.
Oh my God, so it's dangerous.
It's very, very dangerous.
Yes.
So we happen now, already them clean the road. And me beg the tractor man, come take up the piece of old car from over the house over there so. And
Yes.
beg him block off this off for me because at the end of the day, enough people are come and realize the
bridge is broken.
Yes, they broke way.
Right.
Where did the rain and fall, we stand up on that little shop place so. And two cars come down. From up the road that come down. And it's like end up when the carman that wasn't yet, you know.
Yes.
When the carman come down, when he broke this and said the road broke, we don't know how he really break up. Because
Oh
I never
my
realized
goodness.
it. Yes. So said time, just said to the tractor man, say,
Put the
just-
car there.
Just put the car there, so because they went through one load of mall, so but
Yes.
the road broke away with the mall.
Oh Lord.
Road
Because
broke
I
with
was
the mall,
wondering
so.
what happened to the mall that was
It
there.
broke way,
So it
and
broke
come down in the
way.
river. Yes,
Oh.
because the road stopped here.
Okay.
All right, well, even that the wooden where we walk on, all the way, all the while, water come down, you wash them with. Because it come down with tree, and the tree then push where we
Right.
put. So gradually, all the while now, and me have to cut wood. See, if it black up there now, and me have to go clear it. That water, some of the water can go up and make people have to pass. Because me have kids that go to school, you know.
Yes.
And run from me where so now. It's like, majority of the kids when they go to the school, they have to stop, come at this school,
And
through the river.
Gone to the
And
another
gone to
school,
the
which
next,
is
yes,
which is
round
much further away.
Balaclava, Mandeville, and round the clock them have to go. Me not have the money to send my one. So at the end of the time, sometimes me have to come out here with him, and then you can see that thing go over, and then we
Yes.
can come back over with him. Sometimes when I create, me have to drive him over.
Oh my word.
Sometimes see all my brethren, sometimes I him pack him in a system
Yes.
and get him back, can get him over.
So when you send your children to school and you see the rain set up, you are worried
And no matter where me them, I have to try to catch back a yard.
to get
I have to try
to make
catch
sure
one.
they
Yeah, to make sure him can come
cross
it.
properly.
Yeah. And we have my friend them out there and so and
Yes.
through Liberty, them sure them sister him comfortably all right to get back home. Well, as I, we just have to live unite with each other,
Yes,
and then we work. But the sister, right now we plan to go for the Manchester, I have to move it too, put it on Chilani.
Oh Lord.
Because it's like when me end up and then me go a bush, we go dig 100 or 200 yards. Me one can manage, I have to get help. When me come out street with him, I have to pay something again to carry it come out here. So when me come out here, so again, me have to send it over the road to get over here. So sometimes when
it's frustrating.
Sometimes I am $10,000. And when me dig 100 yards, say for $10,000. And when me end up here, me pay 3,000 out of it, 4,000 out of it. Too much, me not get nothing.
You not get nothing.
Me not get nothing, and me can't buy fertilizer.
Yes.
So me have to try move the ground through the bridge.
Yes.
You can't
my
make.
goodness. Oh my goodness.
We're dying to get the bridge.
Yes, you need the bridge. You need the bridge.
The next thing, if you run this one, take sick. But if you go Balaclava and go all the way, Comfort Hall and go all the way around to reach Mandeville, you're dead on the road.
Yes, yes, because of the distance.
The distance too far, which if you just come back to land, you're so quick, look how
You
near
could reach Spalding's really quick.
Look how near Spalding's. And them there's something now, so we have to play on a beg sister, but
Yes.
we not see nobody to cry to.
Yeah.
We not see nobody to cry to, so through that we have to help chop down tree.
Yes.
Sometimes a truck we take draw tree from around the road there. Car, tie tree pan and dry and carry come send it and put it there. So.
Yes, to make sure people
We just
cross.
can't just come cross. If we run this one, no shop never run there, so shop
Yes.
out there. So.
Because
if we want 1 pound of flour, we have to cross the bridge to go shop. And if we want 1 pound of salt, we have to cross the bridge to go shop. If not, we have to stay there and suffer.
Yes.
Because we block off,
Yes,
We
I
lock
realize.
off.
Because everybody on that side, like you said, have to come over here to get to the shop.
You know, I say farming over Manchester, farming over Trelawney.
Yes.
And I feel left Manchester with the farming now and come at Trelawney, which is not good. We not help we.
Yes. All right, Mr. Bigger, thank you.
Yes.
I hope that, there will be a solution to the problem in short order.
I hope it's so.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, honey.
Webby, you had an experience at the bridge recently.
Yeah, the minute see all my side dig out down there,
Oh, my word. Gone all the way into your back.
Yeah, man. After everything go on down there, but you have to just give thanks.
Yes, it's true. Yeah.
So I say now, Mr. Andrew Wellness, you make a talk and you promise say you go pass through. But you look like all now you better sleep, wake up yet, brother. You don't need to come down yourself. You need to come do for your people them. If you can't build bridge, you don't come put on the daily bridge, brother, and make your people them alright and happy. I think you're more. I'm more confident now and say you do something then. You don't go make your talk, brother, now. You don't need to come down here because we don't want to see you down here because you're no bridge. That's something we want where people can pass. Because right now, how much day people can pass the garden yard and the people place them have to go sleep. So if I say this every day with people, we are going to deal with that way there too. We're not going to make them talk and feel like I say, people if swallow it and sit down and wait for them. How long more we are going to wait? If we can't fix the bridge, we come put on the Bailey bridge on the sun and come put on, brother. And I know we want them to come put it on and we don't know long talking and something and no promise bridging. Because I promise a comfort to fall and I'm going to take people to fall. You understand the levels? So, you don't need to wake up out of the bed and come and do what you have to do. I look like I don't sleep same way. I look like a sleeping police thing on the depend with people. And people life. And we have to run risk with their life. Right now, people can't hardly pass down there right now. I want to come do nothing better than if it's a board and you can come in and a piece of rope for people hold on to balance. And say on the there for the people. But you don't go there for yourself and your friend. If you look on the pen, you want to try to build for put in. So you need to come do something right now, brethren. But a debate so you don't have money to come fix bridge. Come put on one Bailey bridge where people then can rotate and then top worry and fret. Because when you know when rain a top fall and thing and when nobody can cross, they have to turn over your sargon and next somebody place. And you have your own place and can't go there. So when you do what you have to do, brethren, and thing, we can't take you no more longer and something. Me and man come here let's do that about 5 years. 5 years way. Come like a mad and something here, man. You have to get out on the shoes and come do something here, so no. I think need to be done right now if you're not blind and wake up and open the air and look and see. We don't need if you come down and come look for nothing. So you have a good day and something and just listen and hear what I say.
So until next time, viewers and subscribers, this is where we end it for today. Thank you for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. So blessed love and be safe.